For those of you who don't know, they are one of the biggest dealerships in our South African dealer network, and we're extremely proud of this magnificent facility. For those of you who are Toyota owners, Toyota South Africa would like to thank you for your support and confidence in our brand. We have been market leaders in this country for 34 consecutive years, and we are the only country outside of Japan who have achieved this. And this is because of you, our loyal Toyota customers. We're very proud to introduce you to the new generation Corolla. This has taken you through all the unique selling points, and I'm sure when you see the vehicles just now, you're going to agree that this Corolla is in a category all on its own. The Corolla has been part of South Africa's lives for the last 39 years, and as such is now affectionately known as one of South Africa's favourite cars. The first Corolla was introduced to the South African market back in 1975. It was the third generation Corolla. I wonder if anybody of you here can remember what that vehicle looked like. In 1982, Corolla became the best-selling sedan in its class and has remained the leader of the C segment since then.